A lot of guys, because they are pretty strong, and it could be James, it could be Dmitry, it could be Fink, but where is he? I don't know. Maybe he's afraid and he lost somewhere. So yeah, Luke, please come.
Я хочу увидеть его мертвым.
Заказ сделал?
Jesus Christ, mate, you're gonna have to try a bit harder than that. See you tomorrow. So I thought I would just take a sec to sort of, before the video starts, to really just explain that whole clip that I just added at the start. That was back in 2015 in, I forget the country, I think it was in Lithuania, But the place we're at, which we supposedly had permission, but it turns out we didn't have any permission, it was just people told us we did, was an ex-Soviet military base that we went into. Just towed the car out there, waving guns around, and made a cool video. It took like, I don't know, maybe 3 hours to film it all, and just wild times over there. And I got permission from my friends that made the video to just show you guys, and just a glimpse into a bit of my past. And man, I wish I was making vlogs back when I was doing all my pro-European stuff. Like, there's some wild stuff we got into back in the day. But anyway, enjoy this vlog, guys. Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. We're down here at O'Berry's Mechanical. They're like also known as AU House, and it's just showing me around their fleet of AUs and Falcons. These are all drift cars. All of them are drift cars. And they're just showing me over a new one that they've got here, which is a EB wagon. They said this thing's coming down at Archie. It's got to be a new drift car, so I don't know. I'll be interested to see this wagon. Apparently it only plays Barry White in the radio, so interesting to say the least. I know no one from overseas would have seen one of these. Just an old Falcon, but then they've put like the luxury front on it. I think they're like an 89 or something along those lines. But yeah, these are the guys you go to if you have an AU Falcon. Is that about Falcon right? What was that? I said, is that about Falcon right? Oh, fuck you.
It's just the cast, most like cast iron box loose.
Yeah. That's not how it's meant to be. So I've spoken to the owner. He's okayed it, nervously okayed it for me to check out his amazing neon install, which you didn't do yourself though, did you? Or you did? Yeah. He did. Okay. He's not a car guy. He's a car guy, but he's not like the car guy. I can tell you that because he's been driving around like this. That ball joint's completely out. But just want to check out this neon install. So got shibby zip tied that to the lock control arm, which is also zip tied to the tie rod. So when you turn, your LEDs will go with you. You go onto there, and it's, oh, there's just a hole in the floor, and then that's taped there. This is making me feel good about the job that was done on my S13. Then we go up through here, then we go under the suspension. It just sort of does its own thing here and then goes up. I'm impressed. How long ago did you do it? I'm impressed that the that's still stuck. Hasn't fallen. The sticky stuff's usually pretty crap on these. Look, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the fact that it's still on there. Have you been driving the car? Because that's like, look at that.
Yeah, how good is it?
It's oh. Alright guys, getting new wheels for the Raptor. We are going to pick them up tomorrow, so be back down here tomorrow where this shop is to pick up new wheels for the Raptor. Comment down below if you can have a guess. There's a lot of interesting wheels around for four-wheel drive, so I am eventually going to be getting some RTR wheels. Obviously I'm friends with Mr. Vaughn Gittin Jr. who does RTR, and I want to get, well, I'm eventually going to get RTR wheels from America, but during all this COVID stuff, he's just like, yeah, we'll wait until this is done and then he's going to help me out with a set of those. But I've just gone and ordered a set of brand new wheels for the Raptor. The main reason I can justify it is because literally people pay really good money for the stock wheels for some reason. So I'm going to put my stock wheels up for sale, and I should even be able to sell them for more than I paid for these aftermarket wheels, which are a better offset and are gonna look pretty cool, I reckon. I quite like the style, so we will see how that goes. But I think I'm gonna head up to Jacob Peck's house now to pick up some of the merch so we can get it sent out for you guys ASAP, because it's taking a little bit longer than I'd hoped, and I'd rather do the 3, well, from where I am right now, like a 4-hour round trip to go and pick up some of the merch so I can get especially the members stuff out to you guys like ASAP, because it's really doing my head in, and I apologize for that, guys. It's just taking longer than I hoped. I know we told you guys it would be, you know, there was a pre-buy and blah, blah, but I'd hoped that you guys would have had your members only stuff especially by now. I promise for the future it won't be like this. We'll make sure we're more on the ball. The COVID stuff just sort of threw us off, because when I've had stuff done in the past, it's happened a lot quicker than this. So we'll just deal with that. But yeah, I'm gonna see what goes on for the rest of the day, and should be fun. All right, so while I was on the Gold Coast, I have to tell you guys about this one. If you are from Southeast Queensland and you want to go have like an amazing like takeaway lunch, there's this place called Evive on the Gold Coast. I'll show you their logo. Zoom, camera. Damn you, work. There we go. It's called Evive, and they make the most ridiculously good fettuccine, like cold fettuccine pasta. And I sent wifey a picture and she was like so upset. So I'm taking some home for her. But hot tip, guys, if you're on the Gold Coast, come and get some Evive, because I've got some myself today and my mouth is like watering. I should have ate it before filming this. But heading back to the Gold Coast now, and we might go and get that merch, so see how we go. All right, we're down here at the track. I'll show you guys what I acquired today. Like, I acquired legitimate. Actually, the way I said that makes it sound totally sketchy. But there was a shop closing down that used to do sign writing and painting and things like that. And I've acquired some new signs for Archie, some vinyl and things like that, which we'll be able to use, and some more line marking paint, some more. We got a whole big thing of white paint, which the graph guys will be able to use to prep the walls. And I'll be able to like repurpose these signs here at the track for spaces where we don't want people to get in, like this gap right here. We're going to put no entry signs across there properly, so that'll be really cool. Look a lot better than just barriers or some dodgy signs that we make up. And yeah, we're just going to basically use these things to help us here at the park. F for free is the best price ever. But if anybody in Brisbane knows of a line marking guy, hit me up. I have like 3 big tins of paint, and I want to do some line marking here to set out some of the lines and make the place look a bit nicer. So if you are a line marker and you've got some spare time, please hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. And yeah, anyway, with that said, back down here at the track, obviously, the graph guys have still been going nuts. And they've just finished off the walls in the middle of the track, which is pretty sick. I love it. So you got Limmy Bang and Mang Mang. So Limmy Bang, Mang Mang, and I think they did the same on the other side. Just double check. Yeah, same thing on the other side. Limmy Bang, Mang Mang. So if you're from Australia, you know you have the VN6s and a lot of cars, you'll say like Mang 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 when they're hitting limiter. We thought Limmy Bang Mang Mang. That was just a little saying we wanted to chuck on there because it's kind of funny. But yeah, they've been going pretty hard on the back container. I know he's changed it up a bit. Even brought a mate down to help him this time. And we've had a crap load of dirt delivered today. So hopefully we get this bobcat down here soon and we can start getting this flattened out. I won't be hitting the jump anytime soon because the jump's just got ginormous. Well, maybe in the Jackaroo, actually. Wow, it's looking wild. Sick. Bloody hell, Cheech, I think the jump got next level. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. This is not Cheech's doing, but you know, it will be by the end. Yeah, this looks like more Jackaroo territory, this. But yeah, a bunch more fill. Obviously, all this is gonna end up in this area, so it'll be a nice smooth runoff here at the drift park. I can't wait. Can't wait till it's all smoothed out, finished, and some grass starts growing back on it and stuff like that. I think it's going to be super rad. I can't wait. So it's nearly 11 PM and I'm like 2 hours away from home at Mr. Deathclick's house, Pecky's house, to pick up the merch finally for you members that ordered stuff, and it's taken a while because Pecky decides it's a good idea to live out in the bush. My bush, I mean like north of Brisbane.
It's like 50 minutes past Brisbane. It's not that far.
It's 2 hours away. But he was nice enough to leave 8 parts out here for me.
It's true.
Actually, the cool part is same.
Oh, you can't really see him.
Got some light.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate, not my first vlog, I tell you.
Yeah. So,
Where you on
Pecky's got a notchy as well. They're like literally in exactly the same condition as mine.
I bought those when I was like 17, so I've had them for
Oh,
like
really?
10 years.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And Becky's got his Raggedy 13. But yeah, finally getting the member shirts for you guys. I apologise for the delays, but if you want to get upset at anyone,
Come to
you
my
can
channel
subscribe to.
and- Yeah.
You can go hit up Pecky's channel and have a go at him there. So
Yeah, tell me to do less cars, more t-shirts.
yeah, do that.
I
Yeah.
already do less cars.
Yeah, yeah. There's a whole lot of cars sitting around here. So anyway, I should get home sometime in the AM. Was it 11:15? Yeah, it'll probably be literally like midnight when I get home. Yeah.
Fuck, dude, you've been talking my ear off for like an hour.
Talking shit,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Yep. My coffee's nearly cold. So load this stuff in anyway, and I've got a really, really busy day tomorrow. It's sick. Actually got a really good day tomorrow.
This one?
No, they're the adult ones. All right, guys. Finally, member shirts are in. They're getting sent out today, guys. I took a massive drive last night, as you saw. But Scarlett, show me this. Show me the front. So Scarlett's going to show. Excuse the office. Whoa, that looks sick. So you got the. Turn it around. That's sick.
I like
That
the
is
back
so
more
cool.
than the front.
Huh?
I like the back more
Yeah,
than
it's
the
huge. That's so cool, isn't it? Alright, show me the kids ones. Over there.
front.
Over here.
Okay. These are not mine.
No, just show me the kids ones. Oh, that looks cool. Shibby. Yes. How cool is that? And then... Where is it? Kids only. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? You love it? How good is it?
Oh yeah.
I'm stoked. It's really comfy too. Like really nice. And it's like, I don't know. It's nice and it's not too thin. It's just in between. Like that's what he was telling us as well. Like this is like the shirt to go. So.
No, that's the one I picked.
Oh, is that the one you picked?
Yeah, he
but
asked
it feels
what
nice. Feel
no,
me.
No, it's AS
Feel
colour.
me. Oh. Sick. Get yourself some, guys. And just for reference, guys, that's your grey as well. I really like the grey. I think the grey looks super rad. Stoked. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up this vlog there. It's early in the morning, about to take the kids to school, and I'll get started on tomorrow's vlog. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, and see you later.